Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click our subscribe button, turn notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Guys, today we're back outside again. I just made a video earlier for all of you fans of me. And today I'm gonna show you down back. And our neighbor had a fire yesterday at his house because they were gonna have a big feast. So this is our garden. We're taking it down for the winter. And down here we have some animals. We have rabbits. We have big rabbits, fat rabbits, small rabbits. There's the girl rabbits and there's the boy rabbits. Hey, big guy! His name is Big Guy. You want some? Hey, Big Guy. Hey, Big Guy. You want to shake on it? Big Guy. He's more interested into you guys. Oop, please. It's okay. And here's Cider. Hi, guy. He has a stuffy nose. Oh, now all of a sudden you want me? I think he more likes you guys. Whoa. Look. Hey, you want to shake on it? Oh, I know what he wants. He wants some chips. Hey, you want a chip? He likes his green chips. His chips are mostly made from the sea and the earth. He likes them. You can feed rabbits plants. Did you know that I'm just feeding him clovers? He likes clovers. I call it chips for him. And there are the mama rabbits, but they're still in there. So, guys, that is my gymnastics ball where I do gymnastics here. This used to be an old swing base, but now we just changed it into a gymnastics ball. Hang on. They all like corn stalks. So I'm going to break corn stalk and feed it to them. Big Guy, you want some nom-nommies? Want some nom-noms? Oh, he literally just took the stick right out. He is so hungry. Cider just likes to eat the rest. You have a little snack. They're going to eat. Yeah, and I'm finally dressed to go out here because I did not plan on making a video, but my alarm went off to make a video. Hey, what are you doing down here, Little Big Thunder? Remy? It's just our YouTube name. So, yeah, there's Little Big Thunder. Gonna break another piece and feed it to them. My family's coming down here, so I won't be able to keep you guys long. He's trying so hard. There. Is mine? This mine? No, this is Big Guy's. Yeah. And now time to feed the extra to Cider. I need a stick. Go get a stick. And I'll just put it in there for him. So yeah, this is our backyard. You want to see some gymnastics that I do? Let me set you guys up. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I'm trying to set you guys up. how can I set you guys up? Hang on. I have an idea. I'm gonna break a cornstalk again. And since my phone holder has a little stand, yep, plan B. Go ahead. She always plays seesaw. She loves seesaw. Yep. So that's where I will be. Okay. So I'm gonna climb up. Ooh, saw two. It's gonna be hard to climb up. Okay. You guys count how many minutes I can stay up. I guess not long with these gloves. So yeah, but I guess. Oh, but it's freezing cold. But that's okay. Okay, now you guys count how many minutes I can stay up here in the freezing cold weather. And I will count 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How long did you guys count? I stayed up there for me to count 14. Guys, it is below 0 degrees Celsius outside. It is freezing. There's even ice everywhere. And frost everywhere. Yep. So, yeah. Guys, let's have a race. Oh, you guys are taking the lead. How did I do? Oh, you guys won. I owe you 1,000 videos, which I already make, so haha. I win. Here's my dog. Hey. His name was Moose and he acts like a moose. So yeah, I'm outside in the freezing cold. I gotta go, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what is your favorite season and temperature. And make sure to subscribe. Goodbye. Good night.